And trial attorneys Michael Jaafar and David Yenna. Michael, let me start with you. This testimony that the shooter had to have cocked the gun and either pulled the trigger or already depressed it, and then you don't point a gun at a person. You should have training on the cross draw, all of these things. And remember, it's involuntary manslaughter charges, which means recklessness. Do you think this is enough, Michael, to say reasonable doubt as to Hannah because it was Alec Baldwin's fault?
I've thought that from before this trial even started. I remember when the charges came down, I, like all people, thought to myself, why would they go after Alec Baldwin? It was clearly a mistake. Clearly he didn't intend to do it. Then I read a little bit more about it, and I found out that they're charging with involuntary manslaughter. Then I read further, and I found out that Alec Baldwin was the executive producer. He takes a certain sense of responsibility. If I'm the owner of my law firm, if somebody comes to work for me and they sit at a desk and the desk collapses, there's some responsibility on me because I'm in charge, right? And so I thought from day one that because he's the executive producer and all of those people were his subordinates, they pretty much would have done anything he wanted to do. And then we know that in day 2 of testimony, there was testimony that 6 people quit the set. They quit the company, the set, citing safety concerns. And nobody stood up to Alec Baldwin. Now, when you take that risk and you're the owner and you're the head honcho, you know, good things come to you. You get the credit for the good things, but guess what? You get the credit for the bad things as well. So I do think that this is being squarely pointed back at him, yes.
I think it is, but Hannah Gutierrez, as an armorer, I think it can effectively be argued, was also reckless because of the things she failed to do, yet that was her job description.